Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with Jaime.
Follow me on YouTube, JMJ Vlogs, the JMJ Vlogs, and Vlogs with a Z. So if you want good content, just hit the subscribe button for her too. So
That's right. Show them your hair. Who did it?
me. I'm just playing. She did. Inspire that.
Yeah, I look really rough right now, but right now we're playing some basketball. We're putting in some some reps, trying to get in shape. I'll be vlogging throughout this weekend. So this is, what's today? Today's Friday.
Today's 22nd. It's not even November.
Today's Friday, June 26th. What are you doing?
Be my cameraman.
Yeah.
No.
I'm vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging, look. Yeah. This Kara's vlog right there. Ya saben porque somos pobres and we can't afford cameras at the moment, so we have to vlog with our phones. I'll set up the left. Ready? This is Jaime Martinez from Dude Perfect. I'm about to make that impossible shot right there. Next time.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm just gonna be getting ready so that we can go out to eat and then later to the caves. So I'm just gonna do like a little fast forward of me doing my makeup. Guys, I'm back.
Hi.
So I'm back with Natalia.
Hi guys. Nice to meet you all.
Where can they follow you at?
Oh, so for my Instagram, it's at Nailea_Verdines with 2 Z's. 2 Z's.
You heard her. But the plan for today is we're gonna go out to eat Chinese. I don't know where. And then we're gonna head to the caves, Maquoketa Caves.
That's such a funny word, but I love it.
Yeah, I've never heard of it. I've never seen it either. But hopefully it's nice and
Good weather today, so.
yes.
Here's his new Air Forces. Size 8.
9.
9. Sorry.
But yeah, I will talk to you guys when
We're there. When we
when
arrive.
we are eating.
Oh yeah, eating. It'd be like a mukbang.
Yeah, bye. So we're here eating Chinese. I forgot to show before what I ate already.
Compared to your plate, look.
So right now, I got some chow mein, rice. I don't like this angle. Me either.
It's okay.
And then a little Mongolian beef.
For the first time, I'm trying the honey. ¿Cómo se llama? Honey what?
Honey chicken.
Honey.
We're so hungry.
I had a dream that I was eating Chick-fil-A.
I wish.
It's like, why though?
These are the best.
What are those?
They're crab onions.
Oh.
They're shaped weird though.
That sounds like this one.
Okay.
I like how we're like the only ones here.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're still going on the week. I think we're still doing the week of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Minneapolis.
Buying.
I came a little extra. What are you doing?
Like 5 minutes. Mira. Maletas.
Okay.
Ya me voy.
¿Para dónde te vas?
I'll see y'all in a month.
In a month?
We're in Kansas.
Oh
Y'all
yeah.
vlogging right now?
I'm vlogging.
What up, Charles vlog? So I'm listening to Kansas right now. You know, I'm in my casa with my maletas. I don't know what else to say. Go check out my channel.
We ate good.
I think I'm gonna get another plate.
Should we be skinny or traigo unos?
Should we eat again? Should we get another plate, Jaime?
So we are gonna do a first impressions of the desserts.
This one looks good. I like that one.
Okay.
Wait,
So we're gonna try them. So should we try that one?
yeah, first one up is this
The Oreo one.
Okay.
But this is the one that I'm gonna carry around with me unless something dangerous happens if I go on the trail by myself. Right, Ma?
It's alright.
It's not very sweet. It's very soft.
The,
Tastes like Oreo.
the texture is a little. It's okay, but like the bottom is so it's dry. I don't know. Is that me?
No.
I was only 7 years old when I
It's
started.
smooth for me.
I don't know what, but the that's like a little bit dry. It's like it tastes like pan.
When I scratched
Probably all. It's not all that. Okay. Next, we will try. I don't know what this is.
Let's try it first.
chocolate? Oreos? I think it's an Oreo.
Maybe it's a cookie. Probably. It's a cookie. It has vanilla, or not vanilla. It has caramel.
Oh.
It's kind of good. I like that one. Oh no, it's peanut butter. I thought it was caramel. I like it.
Oh, it's a
I
Reese's
rate,
cup.
so I rate the first one like a 4. What do you rate it? The first
5.
5. I rate this one.
I like 10. 8 out of 10.
That's a 7 for me. I really like it.
8 out of 10. I don't like peanut butter that much.
So
So
now we're gonna do this one.
that looks good.
I want to get this part. I think this has a little
Raspberry? Is that raspberry?
This is really good. I love that.
I like it. 8.5.
I think this is coffee cake because it said on the thing. But this is 10 out of 10. Want to try? So good. Let me eat it. Did you bring this from the car? Oh, okay. I'm gonna.
You should try this one.
I love that one the most. That one's my favorite.
8.5.
You didn't like that much? Alright, so now we're gonna do our fortune. Mine's broken. This is Where is it? What is yours thing?
What? Oh,
The other way.
Something seemingly small will change your life.
Your dog?
Okay, mine says anything worth doing may be worth overdoing. I like that one.
Wise.
Vlogging.
I'm gonna keep this because I like this. That was a little review from Hong Kong, the little desserts.
Now.
The coffee cake was so good. That was my favorite. What was yours?
Hi.
Coffee one. Oh, and the peanut butter one. This one, it was like.
Wait, this is beautiful.
Whoa!
I'm blind.
I can't even see anything!
I'm just like, hey. Wait.
Ay. Si paso venido tu cara. Más grande que he tenido. Lo que tú me hiciste, lo peor que he vivido.
Dime que el dinero, tú sabes de pena. A los cuantos
Hey guys, so we are almost at the caves. I tried recording the sign, but I was not recording. It's closed. What? So the caves are closed. So we're gonna go to the bathroom. Oh. Okay. I'm just kidding. So I really need to go pee. Hopefully it's not dirty, gross. Bathroom review. Oh, there's no mirror. So hell no. Oh my god, what the fuck? Bro. Oh my god. I literally have chills on my legs. Oh my god. Okay. No.
No, baby.
Anyways,
Well,
it's
look at this
pretty.
pretty view.
Outfit check. Okay. Alright. Wow. Turn around. Wow.
Oh, you're glowing.
Forever 21, forever 21.
Ooh. Yes. You glowing, baby.
Hey guys, so right now we are just walking through a trail and it's actually like so nice. So nice. Right, Mom? Mother.
Yo. What's up?
But yeah, we're just gonna walk the trail since the caves are closed, so which sucks. Really?
Baddies.
Should we go all the way down there? I wanna go, but look. You know what? Where should we? Right here? Oh, mira! You know what? Fuck it. We're going. We are going. You know what? Nothing. You know what? I gotta do it for the vlog. What? Come on. Oh my god. So cool. Guys, look at this. It's so pretty. This is so oh my god. Oi!
So pretty.
Guys, sorry I haven't been talking as much. It's just we've been having a little photo shoot because it's so pretty here and I want to get some good pictures for the gram.
I can feel the water. Look at that.
Oh, it's so fresh here. So beautiful. Oh my god. Look. So pretty. Wow. Oh my god. It is so fresh here.
Oh, I got it. You ready?
But yeah, it is so beautiful here. Let me just show you guys a quick view of what I am looking at because it is so beautiful.
I can feel like the breeze.
we're just following these steps down here and taking lots of pictures.
Indeed. Like,
Dude,
those are our storage.
for real. But it is extremely beautiful here. I really recommend people to come here to Maquoketa Caves. Even if they're closed, like, just go in. I wanna go in. Pero mira. Oh my god, we should go up there. And take
Ni
pics.
lo mande Dios tú.
¿Qué?
Ni lo mande Dios.
Ay.
¿Qué piensas que soy Tarzan o qué? Dude,
Pues.
imagine.
Girl, right here is the spot. A ver, turn around. Go more. Okay, I see you. Okay.
We're all.
Ay.
También la vieja, she do it.
It might be beautiful, but it's hella dangerous.
Oh yeah.
And I don't think we wore the proper attire.
Oh yeah.
But you know, we gotta look cute. It's all about looking cute nowadays.
Very true.
So far, I really love this place. It's kind of humid,
Very.
but it's not like anything too bad.
We came prepared with water.
For those thick girls that have thick thighs, you know what I'm experiencing right now. But
I'm one.
but there's another cave ahead of us. I'm talking to the camera. Oh, I wanna. Ma, let's go up there. I wanna go.
Hey, Johnson.
Yeah. I might be sweating, but the skin looking still good.
Oh, same. I'm
Look at us.
sweaty, but
Guys,
like,
if you want to look dewy and glowy, go on a hike because you will look
yes. I
good.
think we're about to get a tan because of this. Our
I don't
legs.
think so because it's all covered.
Take off your swimsuit.
No, just
Do I shouldn't I should have stayed up there, huh? Yeah, did you snore?
For the vlog.
Is my butt dirty?
She made me. Apúrenle, tacuaches. Ay, ay, ay. Who's that man? Okay.
This is my home now.
As you guys saw, we were climbing up this, I think a cave, I don't know. We didn't really go inside, but that was a workout and we almost died, but I did it for you guys, so you guys better like, subscribe, because, or else that was for nothing. But, another sign, but you know what? Book it.
Yeah, it's so cold. Look.
Oh, I need a cold place right now. This is so cool. Guys.
Go inside, go inside.
I hear something moving.
Go inside.
Mira, shh, listen.
Hey, go inside.
You go inside. It's your den. It's your den.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Can I actually go?
This is all what we have walked or climbed.
Yes.
Oh my god. I can't. I'm tired. I'm gonna lose like 3 pounds after this day.
So good in this. Oh, our sweat. Hey guys, we're tired.
Oh, yes.
We thought we were lost, but we're not.
I'm tired.
It's like
And I'm so sticky.
And our mom thinks she knows everything.
Yeah. She's our navigator.
She almost got us killed.
Honestly, if you guys want a review, or not a review, tutorial on how I got this and for it to stay this good, comment down below.
I am really tired right now. I just want to go to bed.
Oh, me too. I don't want to go to bed. I just want to relax.
I just want to lay down.
And have cool air. Like, it's so humid and I'm like... But right now we're like in this little thing here with a bench. And then... But... Yeah, sorry I haven't been so talkative. It's just... I'm new at this, you know. I've just really been showing you guys the scenery. Which is really nice, but please don't get lost because
Oh yeah, and where?
So we finally found the road of
The car's over there.
the cars over there. We're finally going back. So tired, but I am so glad we are done. But it was honestly really fun. Something new. I never do this, so it's cool to do different things than normal. I really want to be more adventurous and try out new things. So yeah, we'll see what comes next.
Hi guys.
I'm tired,
Me too.
but I guess no come. This is really refreshing after a long day of hiking.
Yes.
But
Oh shit, she probably heard me.
But yeah, we're just gonna go home, probably watch some Netflix, chill, eat some hot Cheetos.
I want something spicy right
Yeah.
now. Dude. I was gonna say we should try the noodle. Do you remember the noodle thing that we did on my house?
Yeah, I don't know where you can buy it though.
Oh yeah.
It's not here.
Oh yeah.
But there's not much that we're doing right now, so I will see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, so we are finally home and in my bed.
Yes, finally.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah. And share this video. Tell your grandma, your aunt, your papa, your mama to subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.